Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the iCarSoft Sierra Max P. What is that? That's a professional multi-brand, multi-system car diagnostic tool. Oh, the Sierra Max P covers all systems, from engine, transmission, ABS, and airbag to every onboard ECU. With advanced coding and adaptations, with a full bi-directional control, 50 service functions, and a lifetime free updates. The car diagnostic tool Sierra Max P comes with dealer-level diagnostics, without the dealer-level price. That's built for a serious DIYer and independent shops who need bi-directional control and OE-level ECU coding. Not just code reading. We have a 10-inch Android touchscreen tablet here, a Canon FD and a DOIP supported, 15 languages, lifetime free updates, and a full bi-directional control, OE level and ECU decoding. Wow, that's the nice device here. This is the dealer level capability without the dealer level price. Full bi-directional control. Wow, that's really cool. Every system, every job, one flagship tablet. The Sierra Max P is a professional grade flagship of the iCarSoft CR line. 10-inch Android tablet pairing a full system and OE level diagnostic with a lot of control. We have here all makes worldwide coverage, like 58 vehicles. That makes coverage the out-of-the-box system. It's for Mercedes-Benz, Maybach, BMW, for Mini, Rolls-Royce, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Daewoo, Abarth, Fiat, Lancia, Bentley, VW, Skoda, Seat, Lamborghini, Volvo, and Opel, Vauxhall, Renault. So many, really so many. We have a 10 inches, Ultra HD. It's built to run all day long. We have a quad-core 1.3 GHz CPU, 64 GB onboard storage with 10,000 mAh battery and 8 hours continuous use. Android operating system. Wow. The iCarSoft Sierra Max P diagnostic tool features a lot of stuff. It supports over 8 hours of continuous operation. There's both the intuitive interface. It delivers seamless vehicle diagnostic performance. And no subscription fees ever. No renewals, no unlocks, no paywalls. Pay once and upgrade forever. Lifetime free software upgrade included. Okay? That makes it really possible. That is good. This is iCarSoft. Pioneer makes specific diagnostic since 2009. We have in CAN FD, controlled area network flexible data rate, compatible with 2020 GM and Chrysler models as well. DOIP, diagnostic communication over an internet protocol. Compliant cars included Volvo, Land Rover, Jaguar, BMW, FG chassis. And it's next gen ready. It talks to the high-speed buses on the today's modern cars. We have the standard RJ45 cable, an F chassis, and a network cable in the box for DOIP. And it's future-proof as well. Lifetime updates keep adding new protocols and models. It keeps talking to both our current car and our next one. Stop guessing, command a part, and watch, it will respond. Cycle the ABS pump motor, its run window relations, activate the full pump, open throttle, cycle the EG valve, command the full injector, trigger the cooling fans, sequence transmission solenoids, and. That's all and more brings us the iCarSoft Sierra Max P. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give me a positive feedback, and hope to see you again on my channel. Tschüss.